Welcome to DefZero. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the guy with the gray hat. Several weeks ago, I made a video. It was basically an announcement in which I mentioned that I will be starting my own consultancy. Well, I just did. And ever since 1st of April 2024, it went operational and I'm super excited. So this video is basically an introduction to what I do and what we do, in fact, in DefZero, right? So we provide several services to our customers, right? So our services actually include IT security. IT security is basically everything that you see that has to do with information technology, like your network, your servers, your computers, your laptops, your IoT devices, everything. So we do assessments for those devices and those in fact that equipment, to be really generic, right? So that's called IT security. Then we have OT security. So OT security is basically operational technology. So you're talking about, for example, water plants or other plants that have been set up in 1960s, right? Their equipment is old. And it's an industry equipment, right? Industrial control systems running there, and a lot of those. So what we do is we check and audit it and see what we can do to protect it, right? Then we have crypto smart contract security. I was contacted by a lot of people because nowadays everybody's creating their own smart contracts, as you might know, and once it's created and it's on the blockchain, it cannot be changed, right? So it needs to be airtight so that there's no vulnerability, nobody can exploit it. So we do a thorough audit of the source code of that contract and tell you if there are any vulnerabilities in that. And vulnerability identification is basically vulnerability assessment that we do for your internal and external infrastructure, plus your web applications as well. Okay. Now, how do you contact us? So we're a small company, right? We're agile and we're ready to go. So you just scan the QR code, send a message to us. We will contact you directly ASAP, and we are going to help you out. No red tape, no emails, nothing. You don't have to wait for anything, right? And you just contact us and we're good to go. Our services, you can check out the website defzero.net. We have a lot of other things as well. We have a blog as well, and we have interesting articles there as well. If you want to contact us over Signal, we have this number under the contact details. And if there's an emergency and you really want to send an SOS message, you can directly send us an email. So we're there for you and we're here to help, right? So the idea here is that we need to be accessible to anyone, right? Because if there's an emergency, if you need an assessment, we don't want you to waste your time to wait. Just contact us. We're going to contact you. We're going to make forms, contracts, and we're good to go. So this was a brief introduction of what DefZero is.